The number of coronavirus cases in Maryland increased by more than 800 in the past day. There are now more than 77,000 confirmed cases. 448 people are in the hospital, and 137 of them are in intensive care units. Good evening, I'm Rachel Cardin. The statewide positivity rate is below 4.5%, but more businesses are shutting down again because of outbreaks, this time among their staff. WJZ is live. Stetson Miller is in Canton with the latest restaurant to close their doors. Stetson?
Rachel, we're here outside Gunther & Co., which closed yesterday after they learned that an employee tested positive for COVID-19. Now, this is just the latest restaurant in this area to close because of somebody contracting the virus, and this comes as Maryland is starting to see cases rise again. As the number of COVID-19 cases across Maryland rises, yet another restaurant in southeast Baltimore is now closed after an employee tested positive for COVID-19. Gunther & Co. on Toon Street posting on Facebook Friday night that one team member had the virus.
Despite the precautions that Gunther has taken, for someone to still come back positive is a little scary.
Carl Krieger eats here often and says the restaurant has been very careful.
The owners put a lot of thought and took a lot of precautions that other places haven't.
Several restaurants closer to O'Donnell Square also closed earlier this month because of workers testing positive for the coronavirus. Some have completely avoided dining out altogether.
I'm not super concerned about getting it, but I live with my parents still, so I don't want to give them anything just in case anything were to happen.
835 new cases were confirmed in Maryland today, bringing the total to over 77,000 cases. And the state's COVID-19 positivity rate is now at 4.44%. And then an increase of over 800 cases in 24 hours is the most since early June. We're live in Canton. Stetson Miller for WJZ.